Bitcoin is boiling hot right now. Let me explain to you why I gave it a miss. If you want to know, watch on. Hello, I am Jason Strongahead. Welcome to another episode where I try to make sense on what some of the investment tools are doing. Again, do you realize that why I use the word try? Because we can never be sure what the market is going to do. Okay, let's take a look at Bitcoin right now. Bitcoin is boiling hot. It has went up by a lot. Now, why is it that I choose to give it a miss? Okay, on the 12th of April, honestly speaking, okay, this is a conversation and a snapshot that I took from with one of my friends. On the 12th of April, I found that Bitcoin, right, has a chance to run up and run up quite big. Okay, and there's a reason why I said that. So if you look at my previous video, I'm someone who is very into RSI. Okay, so this is the chart of Bitcoin, and I saw that there's a very high chance Bitcoin could bottom really. Okay, because previously, right, when RSI is at this level, Bitcoin bottom. So over here, RSI again is at this level, right? So I have a feeling that Bitcoin would probably bottom already. Okay, and after that, when it was on its way up over here at this point, I feel that it is time to buy. So on the 12th of April, around this area, okay, I feel that there's a chance for Bitcoin to run up, and in fact, it did run up. So why is it that I missed the chance, right? Okay, so over here, okay, on the 10th of April, I saw that it is around here. And the reason why I feel that this is a good chance is really because pure technical play. You know why? Because I know nothing about Bitcoin. Okay, I'll be honest with you, I really know nothing about Bitcoin. But I saw a very strong support level. Actually, this line should be slightly lower, okay? So, the Bitcoin went up, came back down, okay, tested the support. Then I feel that this is the time, right, that it will probably go back up, okay? And why I really miss it and why I give you a miss, okay, I give you two reasons. Please don't laugh at me, okay? I give you two reasons. Okay, laugh also again, okay, yeah. So, the first reason is this. I don't know how to buy Bitcoin, I went to my TD Ameritrade. I realized that there's no ETF on the Bitcoin and I cannot buy Bitcoin using that platform. So I went to Google. I realized that, oh, I need to open an account and things like that. So I don't know how to buy Bitcoin. Okay, I show you the second reason. The second reason is I'm fully invested in all my stocks. Okay, on this date, on the 19th of March, I think I told you that if you watch my video during that time, right? Okay, I got not enough cash. What I did was I sold away my two position to accumulate cash and buy into Tesla. Yeah, so on this day, see, I sold my Tencent, I sold my IJR small cap stocks ETF. I sold these two, accumulate the cash to buy into Tesla. And I explained to you before why I did that. Okay, so for some of you who are interested to understand why I do that again, please let me know in my comment. I will explain again, okay? And I will show you maybe my portfolio to explain to you why I decided to do the switch to rebalance, because when the market goes back up to its original point, I'll be way ahead. Yeah, right now I'm already a break-even point. Okay, yeah. Then so for opportunity, you have to remember one thing. Opportunity, there's this particular quote, right, that I want to share with you by Jackson Brown. Opportunity dances only with those who are ready on the dance floor. That means, right, when you see the opportunity, you must be ready to grab it. Well, how do you know whether you are ready? Now, in investment term, this one happened to me before in 2009 when I was ready, but in fact, I'm not ready. Okay. So how to be ready? I define it in three terms and I want to share with you today. Okay. The first term is you must have the knowledge to acquire. I remember back in 2009, my very first investment was silver. Okay. I make a bit of money, but in fact, I don't know anything about silver. I don't even know what I make. So to me, that is not knowledge, that is just luck. Yeah, you make money without knowing why, you cannot repeat the same success. Yeah, even if you repeat again, it's pure luck. So therefore, don't do that. Yeah. And the second one is you must have capital to invest. And when I say capital to invest, I'm looking at spare cash, really spare cash, because you never know what the market is going to do. If let's say the market goes the other way around, opposite of what bet against you, right, then you'll be in trouble. Okay, the third one is have the tools to buy and sell. Yeah, that's very important. So when in 2009, I didn't really know how to do it, and after that I go and the first stocks that I bought was a Singapore stock. Then I opened a Poem account. Then after I opened a Lim and Tan account. After that, when I really want to venture into US stock, I was using the local Singapore account to buy the US stock. Oh my God, make money also lose money because of the spread, the brokerage fee. Okay, and then the buy and sell, the margin, it's not worth it. So therefore I realized that, hey, you need to understand what are the tools. So if you don't have these three items ready, the opportunity comes to you, but you are not ready yet. So there's a saying, the opportunity knock on your door. Okay, after the opportunity left, they left you a note and say opportunity comes, but you are not at home. So when you are not at home, how do you know you'll miss the opportunity? If you don't have these three, you probably will miss the opportunity. Yeah. And for those who are ready and you are looking at Bitcoin, again, I'm not a professional. Okay, I'm just showing you my point of view. This is pure technical play because I know nothing about Bitcoin. Yeah, I'm just showing you how by understanding maybe technical analysis, you can use it to help you analyze, right, when is a good time, it's a good window to buy and sell. Yeah, so over here, let me share with you. First is RSI, right? Now, RSI, when it is up above about 80 to 90, I think it's overcooked. You can see in the previously overcooked, then it will come down. Overcooked, it will come down, right? Okay. So when it is up here, overcooked, it will come down. Right now, it's not. It's again at the middle range. It can go up, it can go down, right? And that means if it's going to go up, there's still more upside. And I drew this box, right? I feel that if I buy here, no, like if I buy here, I won't be able to catch the bottom. If I buy here, I probably will take the right up to about 10,000 range. Okay, that's my call. So it's already quite near the range. For those who believe that it will break out and then come up here or come up here or come up here, right? Then maybe you can take the right lah. Yeah, that one I really don't know because I know nothing about Bitcoin. Pure technical play, my confidence level is only from here to here. Okay. So for those who are looking for opportunities, still look at the chart. Okay, there are some lines right now. Can you see that there's a support level over here? And then why Bitcoin went up here and came down here? I can explain to you. Can you see that there's a very there's a resistance level over here? Resistance means due based on previous chart, right? Okay, the price, can you see the price went up, came back down. When it came back down again, this resistance becomes support. Support means people feel that the price is cheap enough for you to buy. See, buy, went back up. So this is a resistance line. Resistance means people feel that the price is too expensive. Okay, then after it come back down. See, now this is support, resistance, support, resistance, support, resistance, resistance breakdown, support. So I feel this is another resistance line. So you will come back, come up, come back down. But this line, right, these are all short term. The long term one is based on this chart. Long term one is based on this chart. I feel this is a key resistance at 10,000. Okay. And so right now, it's pulling back. I think if let's say the bull is still strong, which it looks really strong right now, okay? Can you see over here RSI is at 74, it's quite high, right? That's why it probably pulled down, right? Pull back, and then that there will be another run. And if I'm not wrong, it might break above 10,000. Once it break about 10,000 mark, to me, my confidence level is only there. Yeah, my confidence level is only there. This is the only range, very, very short-term play. This is like trading already. I kind of stopped trading, but I can show you my portfolio, my trading account, my investment account, and my income account. So my trading, investment, income account. Income means like all my dividend I collect. Overall, my trading is the one that is the worst performing. The rest is better. So in the long run, I feel that based on my personality, I prefer to invest. That's why I decided maybe the trading account. After a while, I probably liquidate everything, plus transfer everything into my trading account. They have my investment account. Yeah, those are I will just invest capital gains and for income. And income is my biggest portfolio. So hopefully you have learned something today. And if you're really interested in my portfolio, in my next video, I'm going to talk about my portfolio. I'm going to share with you what is going on and all those things that I've talked about. I actually put my money in, okay? A lot of people thought I only talk cock only. Some people call me idiot some more. Yeah, so I can share with you, but I don't really need to prove myself. It's a bit stupid, but if you really want to know, yeah, I'll share with you what is it, and stay tuned, subscribe so that when I upload that video, you'll be the first to be informed. Bye bye. I'm Jason Tan signing off. Jason, stronger head signing off. Bye bye.